Today we'll speak about Spur gear design, best design. We have Spur gear, the parameters. The first parameter, pitch diameter and module. There is a relation between pitch diameter and module and number of teeth, number of tools. The teeth number multiplied by module equal pitch diameter. This three parameter is the first parameters which we calculate and can design our Spur gear. As we see, Spur gear has straight teeth, and we can design the in-volute of the teeth and draw it by these parameters. So we calculate the teeth number and the module and the pitch diameter from our center. Pitch diameter is the center distance between two gears which engage together. This is the first one, and we can compromise between module and teeth number until we reach to a suitable module and pitch and teeth number. In our case, we have 320 millimeter pitch diameter, and we can use module equal 4 millimeter. In this case, our teeth number will be 80, but we can also use 5 millimeter module. In this case, teeth number equal the pitch diameter multiplied by the module, then teeth number equal 64. After that, we calculate half tooth angle. We have 64 teeth and we have 360 degree. If we multiply by number of teeth and if we divide it by number of teeth multiplied by 4, it will give us half tooth angle, which in this picture is equal 1.406 from the center line, vertical one, so from the center axis, and the point which in the base diameter, because these teeth we have here 4 circles. The first one is the pitch diameter, which is 320, and the offset between the pitch diameter and the end of this is equal 1 module. So the last circle, which touch all teeth from outside, equal the pitch diameter plus 2 module, 2 multiply module. Then it's equal its diameter 330. This is the second circle. The third circle is the base circle. Base circle, we choose the pressure angle BA. It's from 14 to 20 degree. I chose it 14.5 degree. Then the addendum, the addendum circle is this outside, is the outside diameter, which equal pitch diameter plus 2 module. 33. Let's see, 4. 33 millimeter. The base diameter equal pitch diameter multiplied by cosine, the pressure angle. So it equal 320 multiplied by 14.5 degree. We change it to radian because we work on Excel. 22 multiplied by 7 multiplied 180. But if we work with calculator, no need to change to radian degree. It equals 309.791. The dedendum circle, it is the first one. The dedendum circle, it equals pitch diameter minus 2 module minus the clearance. The clearance here is module pi divided by 4, equal 1.25. We go again to the dedendum. The equation is C3. It is the pitch diameter, 320, minus 2 multiply C4, the module, another module, module plus module multiplied by 4, which is clearance, 1.25. Then we calculate here by equation the circular pitch. We calculate the base diameter, BD. The circular pitch equal module multiplied by 22 divided 7, which is pi. It equals 15.714. The two switches circular pitch divided by 2 to check our tooth width, which is reasonable or not. The clearance equal C4 multiplied 4. C4 is the module. Is this equation. Fillet radius, we make a fillet after we finish our in-volute drawing. Circular pitch multiplied by 8. Here 1.9643 is the result of C11 divided 8. C7 circular pitch, C11 multiply 8, circular pitch over 8, the fillet radius, circular pitch, multiplied by 8, C11. This equation on Excel, always formula. We begin with 3 main parameters: the number of teeth, the module, the pitch diameter. This is the first relation. The teeth number equal pitch diameter divided module. Or if we multiply the module with teeth number, equal the pitch diameter. And after that, all these parameters come with equation in Excel. Again, half tool angle equal 360 multiplied by the teeth number multiplied by 4 to give us this angle, quarter of the pitch angle. Pressure angle, we choose it. We use this pressure angle when we calculate base diameter equal pitch diameter cosine pressure angle. The base diameter, as in this picture, is more than the dedendum, is big than the dedendum circle. This is all work with, as we see, equations. This is the addendum equal pitch diameter plus 2 module, 2 multiplied by module, and this dedendum, the pitch diameter minus 2 module plus clearance. This the base diameter. The equation is cosine pitch diameter cosine the pressure angle radian. Circular pitch equal module multiplied by pi by 3.14 or 22 by 7. Two switches, circular pitch divided 2. Circular pitch divided this one divided 2. Clearance equal module multiplied divided 4. Module divided 4. Fillet radius, circular pitch multiplied 8. Circular pitch multiplied 8. Next, we can take these results from this Excel sheet and go to draw the in-volute, which is the half of teeth, and make pattern to complete this example. It's special for Spur gear, and this is the parameters which we need to can calculate and draw, design our Spur gear. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.